Hello, welcome to the Meigs Room Multimedia Equipment Guide, Part 1, Activating the System. To activate the system, use the control panel located on the wall on the left-hand side of the room if you are facing the screen. If the panel is blank or is displaying the MBL logo, touch the screen to wake the panel and bring up the control interface. Select an input from the options on the left, and the projector will turn on and the screen will drop. Part 2. Connecting your device via HDMI. If your device has HDMI output, connect it to the HDMI cable on the podium. If your device does not have an HDMI port, you can connect using the mini DisplayPort or USB-C adapters connected to the HDMI cable. Note: if your device only has a VGA output, there is a VGA cable on the podium, but it is recommended that you connect wirelessly via air media or use a device that can be adapted to HDMI to maintain image quality. If you are connected using the HDMI cable on top of the podium, switch the control panel input to Podium Laptop. There is a second HDMI cable for use with devices placed on the locking tray on the side of the podium. If you are using this HDMI cable, you must select Tray Laptop on the control panel. Part 3. Connecting via wireless using air media. Select air media on the panel and a web address will appear in the lower left corner of the big screen. Go to the web address and you will be asked to download the Air Media utility software for Mac or PC. Open the Air Media app and type the same web address into the search bar. If you are using a PC, you will be prompted to enter the code that is displayed on the big screen. On a Mac, press Connect to bring up the AirPlay guidance window. If you are using a Mac, connecting to AirPlay will require you to select the IP address from the drop-down display menu at the top of your screen. This may be time sensitive, so if the IP has disappeared from the menu, click Connect again. Once you select the address from the display menu, AirPlay will ask you for your password, which is displayed as code on the big screen. Don't forget to move the Air Media app into your Applications folder on your computer if you wish to connect using Air Media in the future. Part 5. Microphones. There are 3 microphone options to choose from: the gooseneck mic on the podium, a wireless earset mic, and 2 handheld mics are located in the drawer of the podium. To mute the podium mic, press the button at the bottom of the mic. The green light indicates that the mic is on. When muted, the light is off. The wireless earset can be powered on using the on-off switch on top of the wireless pack. Use the on-off switch on the handheld mic to turn it on. Place the earset so the crook sits behind the earlobe. The mic does not need to sit directly in front of the mouth to work. Part 6. Adjusting audio levels. To adjust the overall volume of all the microphones, use the speech level controls on the right-hand side of the control interface. To adjust the volume of the presentation audio through HDMI, use the program level controls. To bring up the extended microphone controls, press the cog symbol in the lower left of the control panel. Wireless 1 controls the wireless earset. Wireless 2 and 3 control the handheld mics, and POD is the podium microphone. Part 7. Lighting. The main light switches are located on the right-hand wall of the room when you walk in. Use the dimmer switch on the left to adjust the intensity of the ceiling lights. Track lights should be turned off when using the projector. To bring up the lighting menu, touch the light bulb icon at the bottom of the control panel. If your presentation requires low light, use the shade controls to lower the window shades. To stop the shades in place, press the opposite direction once. Part 8. Shutting down the system. To shut the system down, press the power button in the bottom left corner of the control panel. When you press the power button, 2 options will appear. Press yes to shut the system down, or no to return to the main menu. Once the system is shut off, the projection screen will retract, but the control panel will remain on. The control panel will turn off automatically after a few minutes.